Are you struggling to stick to a budget or just not sure where your money's going? What if I could fix that for free? In this video, I'm breaking down the best free AI tools to help you budget smarter, spend better, and maybe even save your sanity in 2025. From AI budgeting bots to money-saving assistants, I tested out tools that claim to manage your money like a pro without charging a dime. Here's what worked, what didn't, and what might just change your financial life. Let's start with Cleo. Cleo is a chatbot-style budgeting app that connects to your bank account. It gives you spending insights, sets savings goals, and even roasts you if you overspend. The AI is funny, but also surprisingly smart about daily cash flow. Next up, ChatGPT. Yep, this one. You can literally ask ChatGPT to create a budget for you based on your income, rent, bills, and spending habits. It won't track your bank account, but it's powerful for planning, especially when you give it real numbers. Another solid one is WallyGPT, a finance app with built-in AI that analyzes your transactions, offers money advice, and gives you a clear picture of where your cash goes. Totally free and super intuitive if you hate spreadsheets. For the spreadsheet lovers, check out Copilot Money's free trial. It auto-syncs your accounts to Google Sheets, and with a little ChatGPT help, you can automate reports, budget summaries, and more. And finally, Copilot Money. It's slick, smart, and uses AI to categorize your spending and spot patterns. The free version is limited, but worth trying if you want something visual and hands-off. Look, managing money in 2025 doesn't mean you need to hire a financial advisor or obsess over receipts. These AI tools are free, simple, and actually work if you use them consistently. So what's your favorite budgeting tool? Drop it in the comments. And if you want me to test one in a future video, let me know. Like this video if you're ready to budget smarter, not harder. Subscribe for more real-life tools for surviving and thriving on a dime.